Students, today I will discuss PDE, partial differential equations. So first order linear PDE and Lagranges equations. What is partial differential equation and what its rules? Let's see. Partial differential equation of order 1 arises in many partial problems in science and engineering. Partial differential equation of order 1 in two independent variable x and y. Two independent variable and dependent variable is z. Dependent variable x and y, two independent variable, and dependent variable z. So function of f of x, y, z, p and q equals to 0, where p equals to del z by del x and q equals to del z by del y. P equals to del z by del x and q equals to del z by del y. The general form of linear partial differential of order 1 is p of p plus q of q equals to r, where p is p of x, y, z and p, this p means del z by del x, plus this q means q of x, y, z dependent and independent variable with del z by del y, which is equals to r of x, y, z. Then let's take a example. Suppose example 1, p of tan x plus q of tan y equals to tan z. Then given p of tan x plus q of tan y equals to tan z, the Lagrange's auxiliary equation are del x by p of tan x, which is equals to del y by tan y and del z by tan z. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So taking first two functions, suppose del x by tan x equals to del y by tan y. We can take del y by tan y equals to del z by tan z, and we can also take this one and this one. So now it's solved. Del x by tan x equals to cot x dx minus cot y del y equals to 0. Which one integration gives? Log sin x minus log sin y equals to log of c1, which is equals to sin z equals to c2. The arbitrary functions sin x by sin y, this one and this one, and sin y by sin z equals to 0. So phi is an arbitrary function. Lagrange's form क्या होगा? Lagrange's form, suppose p of p plus q of q equals to r, then del x by p equals to del y by q equals to del z by r. This is Lagrange's form. Solve this question. xyp plus y square q equals to zxy minus 2x square. So the Lagrange's auxiliary equation are del x by this one xy equals to del y by y square equals to del z by zxy minus 2x square. So 1 by x del x minus 1 by y del y equals to 0. Then log x minus log y equals to log c1, this is integration. Then x by y equals to c1 and x equals to y of c1. Then next last two equation, del y by y square equals to del z by zxy minus 2x square. Now solve this. Putting x equal to cy1, then del y by y square equals to del z by cy square del z by c1 z y square minus 2 c1 square y square. So del y equals to del z y square कॉमन आएगा, फिर ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. c1 z minus 2 c1, which is equals to c1 del y equals to del z by z minus 2 c1. The c1 minus log of z minus 2 c1 equals to c2. c1y equals to x minus log of z minus 2 c1 equals to c2. So q is phi is an arbitrary function.